is Lawrence. I'm a first grade teacher here at Van Horn, and we just wanted to give you some information beforehand that will hopefully help you in the process of school starting. So, welcome to first grade. This is where the magic begins. Just to let you know, majority of our classes, our teachers will be using hand signals, being that the students will be muted most of the time on their audio on Zoom. Just holding up fingers to go to the restroom, that's what we would do in class, so we're going to keep it the same. That way if they leave their seat, I know, or the other teachers know where they're going and they're using the restroom. Getting a drink of water, preferably we would like them to be able to have a bottle of water next to them so they don't have to leave, but if they have to leave, they can hold up 3 fingers. And then if they're confused or they need help, they can always put up a fist. And then there's also the hand raise option in Zoom that they can get to if they're a little bit more tech savvy. Whoops. How I look when I'm ready to learn, I want to make sure that the students are in a desk or on using a table, and they're seated up so that they are comfortable and they're out of a couch or anything that might be disruptive and uncomfortable, and they're ready to work. Their microphone's going to be muted as soon as they join so that limits the noise and everybody can hear me. And then I want their video on so that I can see them, and I can see their faces and I can know that they're listening. Video chat expectations. So we're asking to be prepared. We kind of gave an idea of what all of these mean, and we would love if you were able to go over these expectations with your student. Being that they're not here at school, it's a little bit harder to manage behavior or the expectations that we're asking for. And so just to give you an idea of what we're actually looking for, it would be really helpful if you go over these with your student. Sometimes there's going to be attention getters. Each teacher is different. There might be a bell. And what that means is maybe we gave them some time to work or time to go do something, and then we need them back. And so, or just we notice their attention's not on us, and we might do like a call that says like macaroni and cheese, and the students reply with everybody freeze, and their attention is on us again. So there will be attention getters. Here is an example of a workspace that one of the students has already prepared. They have a table they'll be working at. They have a stool. This student sometimes wants to stand up, so they have the option to stand up and still be able to see their screen. They have all their supplies here that they're going to be using that's organized. And then also they're going to have a stuffed animal next to them to talk to, since they're not sitting next to a peer in class. If you would please go over this video with your student, it's embedded in the slides that we are sending out to you to watch and see how to set up a workspace, and your student can even help you and get involved in making their workspace. That leads me to all the supplies that they're getting. I'm going to go over a few, and then I'm going to hand this over to one of our other teachers to continue. All of these supplies, actually, we will be going over every day with them. So they do need all of these supplies by them. They need a basket, and we gave baskets. Try to keep all their belongings in here. And on this one is their sight words. This is something that you might want to do extra with them in the evening. And we'll go over more of that on a Zoom. All right, I am going to pass it over to our next first grade teacher.
Hello, I'm Miss Heinley, and I'm here to explain to you about how our Hornets can be fly. And fly stands for following directions, lead respectfully, and say yes to responsibility. Of course, we are not in the school classroom, but these are things that we are going to be doing virtually. So of course, these are some things that you can read with your student so you know how to make your student fly. So this is how our school day is going to look. First thing, we are going to have synchronous. Synchronous is live with the teacher. Your child will be logged into a Zoom meeting link to get direct instruction. We will also be doing asynchronous. So these are things that you are going to be doing on your own. Your child will be watching pre-recorded videos and then complete the assignment with a video and submit it to us. How to submit your assignments. Online assignments will be submitted directly. Paper assignments, please take a picture and upload the image of the completed assignment and then submit it. This is our schedule. We have our Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday schedule. We also have our Wednesday schedule. Will be a little different because we get out a little bit early that day. The yellow or the green, and however you see that, would be more of our live instruction when you will have to be, or the student will have to be logged in for those times to get live instruction from your teacher. The whites are more of your breaks, or when you are going to be having independent lessons, those asynchronous videos that we will be recording. And it also will but you will find out later that in those white times that we will be pulling for small groups to work in with smaller groups of students during that time.
Hi guys, my name is Samantha Pelletier and I'm your first grade teacher, sorry. And we just wanted to kind of wrap everything up. This is all of our current contact information. The easiest way to contact us, of course, is through Parent Square. Everything comes through our phones like a text message, so we're able to get your message faster and respond faster. The school's phone number, and then we listed our independent emails here. We did want to kind of go over one other thing. Here in your small group sessions at between 1:20 and 2 o'clock, we will be creating a schedule that will be sent out to you so that you know exactly when your child reports for small group studying and independent learning during that time with us, right where they need it, individualized. We just want you to know that we are here for you. We understand that this is going to be an extremely different year. We're all kind of rolling with the punches together and giving it our best. This next week when we start, there is going to be a lot of probably bumps with the schedules, assignments. Canvas is on its way to rolling out, but it's not 100%. So as you find issues or concerns, if you'll please feel free to let your teacher know through Parent Square or through an email so that we can work out all the kinks and smooth out the learning process for all of our students. We are so happy to have all of you guys this year, and we're going to rock it. Have a great night.